Join me as I dive into the unique features of these four Boeing aircraft and see if I can uncover what makes them so special. In the world of commercial aviation, Boeing is a household name. They've been pushing the boundaries of innovation and design for decades, and today, we're going to explore four of their most remarkable aircraft. From record breakers to game changers, these planes have left an indelible mark on the industry. But before we dive in, I have to ask, have you ever wondered what makes these aircraft so special? Is it their speed, their range, or perhaps their cutting-edge technology? Whatever it is, I'm excited to find out, and I hope you are too. In this exploration, we'll delve into four of Boeing's most iconic models, the 747, 777, 787, and 737. Each of these aircraft has its own unique features and contributions to aviation history. Boeing 747, the Queen of the Skies. The Boeing 747, affectionately known as the Queen of the Skies, made its debut in 1969 and quickly became a symbol of long-haul air travel. Its most distinctive feature is the iconic hump on its upper deck, which initially served as a lounge area and later as additional seating. This design not only provided increased passenger capacity but also allowed for versatile configurations, including cargo adaptations. One of the 747's groundbreaking innovations was its four-engine configuration, enabling it to fly longer distances without refueling, and take off with a maximum weight of over 875,000 pounds. This aircraft was truly a behemoth of the skies. Its massive engines and high-lift wings allowed it to take off from even the shortest runways, making it a favorite among airlines that operated in remote or regional areas. This capability opened up new international routes, making global travel more accessible. Over the years, the 747 underwent several upgrades, culminating in the 747-8 variant. This latest model features advanced engines and wing designs, including raked wingtips that enhance aerodynamics and fuel efficiency. Despite its advancements, Boeing ceased production of the 747 in 2022, marking the end of an era for this legendary aircraft. Boeing 777. Introduced in 1994, the Boeing 777 set new standards for twin-engine, long-haul aircraft. It was the first commercial aircraft to be designed entirely using computer-aided design, CAD, allowing for unprecedented precision and efficiency in its development. The 777 is renowned for its spacious cabin, capable of accommodating between 301 to 550 passengers, depending on the configuration. Its twin-engine design offers a balance between range and fuel efficiency, making it a favorite among airlines for long-haul routes. The aircraft's wingspan and raked wingtips contribute to its aerodynamic efficiency, reducing drag and improving fuel consumption. Building upon the success of the original 777, Boeing introduced the 777X series, which includes the 777-8 and 777-9 models. These variants feature new engines, an all-new composite wing, and technologies borrowed from the 787 Dreamliner. The 777X boasts folding wingtips, a first for commercial aircraft, allowing it to fit into standard airport gates while benefiting from extended wings during flight for better fuel efficiency. Despite facing delays, the 777X is poised to enter service with launch customer Lufthansa in 2026. Boeing 787 Dreamliner, the game changer. The Boeing 787 Dreamliner, which first flew in 2009, represents a significant leap forward in aviation technology and passenger comfort. Its development focused on fuel efficiency and reducing the environmental impact of air travel. The 787 achieves this through the extensive use of composite materials, which make up approximately 50% of the aircraft's primary structure, resulting in a lighter and more fuel-efficient design. One of the most impressive features of the Dreamliner is its range. With a maximum range of over 8,555 nautical miles, this aircraft can fly from New York to Sydney nonstop. Its fuel efficiency also makes it a much more environmentally friendly option than many other commercial aircraft. Passengers benefit from the Dreamliner's larger windows, which can be electronically dimmed, and higher cabin humidity levels, enhancing comfort on long flights. The aircraft's engines are equipped with chevrons, serrated edges on the nacelles, that reduce noise by smoothing the mixing of exhaust and surrounding air. This feature contributes to a quieter cabin and less noise pollution around airports. The 787 comes in three main variants: the 787-8, 787-9, and 787-10, each offering different capacities and ranges to suit various airline needs. Its versatility and efficiency have made the Dreamliner a popular choice for airlines aiming to operate long-haul routes with reduced operating costs. Boeing 737, the workhorse of the skies. Since its introduction in 1967, the Boeing 737 has become the world's best-selling commercial jetliner, earning its reputation as the workhorse of the skies. Designed for short to medium-haul flights, the 737 has undergone numerous iterations to enhance performance, capacity, and efficiency. One of the 737's distinguishing features is its 6-panel cockpit window design, with the rearmost window on each side having a distinctive upward slope at the bottom. Additionally, the tail of the 737 connects to the fuselage with an extended slope, setting it apart from similar aircraft like the Airbus A320. The latest generation, the 737 MAX series, incorporates advanced technology, including more fuel-efficient engines and aerodynamic improvements. Despite facing challenges, such as the temporary grounding due to safety concerns, the 737 MAX has been recertified and continues to play a crucial role in global air travel. So, which one of these aircraft do you think is the most special? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe for more aviation content. We've also got a great video on the most dangerous planes ever built, so be sure to check that out as well. But now, it's time to reveal the most special aircraft of them all. And the winner is the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. From its cutting-edge technology to its impressive range and fuel efficiency, the Dreamliner is truly a game-changer in the world of aviation. Its design has become an enduring symbol of prestige and power, solidifying its position as the most special among the 4 Boeing aircraft discussed. In conclusion, these 4 Boeing aircraft are truly special in their own unique ways. They've pushed the boundaries of innovation and design, and their impact can still be felt today. So, the next time you're on a flight, take a moment to appreciate the incredible engineering and design that goes into these incredible machines. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more aviation content, and check out our other videos on aircraft and aviation history.